Molly, what are we making today?
A crawfish boiled bisque.
A crawfish boiled bisque? Now, why are we making a crawfish boiled bisque?
Because you made a lot of crawfish.
That's right. I made way too much crawfish, so we had a lot of extra tails, potatoes, corn, and even sausage. So today we're going to teach you how to make a crawfish boiled bisque so that you can get rid of those leftovers and enjoy them again.
First we have butter.
That's right, butter. And if you don't want to use butter, you can always use avocado oil. What's next up here, Molly?
We have some frozen vegetables.
That's right, frozen vegetables. We got your onions, your bell pepper, and your celery. What's next?
We have some garlic.
That's right, we took one smashed garlic. Now, Molly, what's next here?
We have some flour.
That's right, we use gluten-free flour, but you can use any flour you want. We use 2 tablespoons. What's next here, Molly?
Coconuts.
Yeah, that's right, 2 cans of coconut milk. What do we got here? Chicken stock, that's right. We've got 32 ounces of chicken stock. We've got a healthy dash of hot sauce. Molly, you want to say this word? Worcestershire. So 2 dashes of Worcestershire. We've got our leftover potatoes. We've got our leftover corn. We've got our leftover sausage. And we've got our leftover crawfish tails. All right, so Molly, tell us what we're going to be putting in there. Some butter?
Yep. And look, it's steaming right now. That's quick.
Okay, so we're just going to let that butter melt. We got it at got a little high heat.
And it's already spreading. That's very fast.
That is very fast.
Now we're going to set the spatula down and then we're going to pour our vegetables. Then we're going to stir it. It will warm up if you just flip it over.
Then we're going to let it cook down for a medium-high heat for the next 10 minutes.
And y'all just keep stirring. I've been cooking this for 10 minutes and now I'm going to add the garlic. So first we're going to sprinkle it. That's good.
And Molly, how long are we going to cook the garlic for?
For a few minutes.
That's right. All right, Molly, after we put the garlic in for 3 minutes, what's our next step?
We're going to add some flour.
That's right. Are we going to sprinkle it in?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and sprinkle it over.
That should be good. Wait, there's a few more. That smells coming good.
It smells really good. All right.
Time to pour the coconut oil in.
So what do we got there, Molly? 1 can of coconut. All right, stir that around in there. Yeah, get all that goodness in there. So we want to stir it around, right? Not sloshing it out of the pot, but stirring it in there, making a good cook down.
When it like turns the soup, it would be good to pour the next one in.
So let's turn this soup. So let's go ahead and add the next one in.
Can you hold this one?
Sure, buddy.
See? It's okay.
The chicken broth?
Mm-hmm.
All right, add some chicken broth. Let's add, sure, add half of the chicken broth.
It's okay.
You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and do half now. All right, then go ahead and stir it up. Gotcha.
Is this part hot?
Yeah, I wouldn't touch all that.
Yeah, very hot.
All right, you'll keep stirring it down to kind of wait till it thickens up.
My hand is moving faster. My energy is going up. Time to pour. Can you the spoon while I do this? Can I do it?
Yeah, you're doing a great job. All right, that's perfect. So what we'll do is we'll let this cook on down. Okay, Molly.
It's starting to boil.
All right, tell them what you're doing now.
I'm going to pour the potatoes in.
All right. Okay, so next up we're going to add the corn. We'll stir that all around. Okay, we're going to do a dash of hot sauce. We'll do the dash of Worcestershire. There we go. Pour that in. Okay, so we've got the potatoes and the corn, and as you can see it's thickened up a little bit here. And we brought it up to a boil. And our last steps are add the sausage, which is some Zuma sausage out of I think the Beaumont area. And then lastly, we add those crawfish tails. And boy, it's it's quite a bit on it. And we had quite a bit of leftovers here. But really you don't have to cook this long because you've got pretty much everything pre-cooked here. We're just bringing it up, and notice it's turning a little bit of pink here. So that is it, and that is how we make crawfish boiled bisque. I want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll be posting the ingredients down on the bottom. And if you have any questions or if this is any good, please send us some feedback. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you. This is Mike from Pleasant Paunch Cooking. Have a great day. And there we have it. Crawfish boil bisque. Enjoy.